I literally paid $400 for one of my grails. I've been waiting to buy these shits for like 8 years, bro. And we're gonna get into it in a little bit. Let's flash back to this morning. Y'all wouldn't believe me if I told y'all, bro. I found one of my grails. I was talking about them in a live recently. Best believe this is a pair of sneakers that I need in my collection. I gotta bite the bullet and do it, bro. If this ends up going through, I might jizz my pants, bro. I might need me a diaper, bro.
What do you mean by that?
This shit is real. I'm hella excited. Stick around for this video. This is honestly spontaneous. I wasn't about to film and none of that shit, but I'm like, yo, fuck it, might as well. Just got an email saying that my sneakers touched down. Honestly, I'm gassed, bro. Like, they're downstairs right now. We're about to go get them. Obviously, I gotta go on my daily Starbucks run. Put an L in the chat because I need to get rid of this addiction. But in this one, I'm actually gonna be picking up one of my grails at least. I got a couple of them. My list got subtracted by 1 with this video right here. I hope y'all end up enjoying this one. If you do, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see in the comments. But with all that being said, let's get up out of here, bro. I'm gonna go see if they're downstairs, unless UPS plucked my shit. If they took my shit, we beefing, bro. But if we got them, they should be down there, so let's get it. I already fed little homie for the day. He chilling, he good. I'm gonna leave him right here. Boom, I'll be back, bro. Hold on. Fit for today, we got the 2002 R's. I'm trying to tell y'all, wear these shits all the time. Fashion Nova newspaper pants, probably one of my favorite sweatpants that I own. Then I got one of my blanks right here, which might be dropping sometime in the future. Bang, bang. Little Supreme hat, something simple, just to run downstairs real quick and pick up this heat, my boy. Leave a like. If y'all haven't already, go scan this QR code and sign up for unreleased.co. My brand is coming real soon, bro. All you gotta do is sign up. Boom, bang. It's right there. Real simple, real easy, real smooth for you, brother. Got him. Get some coffee real quick. We got the drink slapping. It's my favorite drink, I'm not gonna lie. Drink secure, now we out. It's crazy. So today I was sitting in the house and I'm like, bro, I need to get out. Like, I just want to sit at the park. It's been a minute and I kind of want to start making this habit of being out in nature more. I always talk about it, but I want to make myself actually go out there. Y'all already know I normally go get some Starbucks and stuff. And what I do is I just go back to the house and I edit these videos. But today I'm like, bro, might as well just go outside, get a little bit of sun. It's shining up there, right? So might as well enjoy it while we still have the chance, you know? Go for a little walk as soon as I'm done here. Once I get back in the house, I'll unbox the sneakers for y'all. But hopefully you guys are enjoying. If you are, leave a like. Came out here, enjoy my little croissant, and just enjoy the water. Yo, this whole week I've been addicted to this croissant. I'm the type of person where like I switch between things. Like one day I'll want this and then I'll get tired of it and I'll just stop eating it for how long. For now, these croissants, something different. I'm trying to tell y'all. Sometimes you could be like down and out, or you could be like just feeling sad and shit, and you come into nature and you just kind of clear out. Everything just clears out. We live in such a digital world that everything is so different, bro. It's not the same as it used to be back in the day. And I honestly, I'm trying to step away from that shit. I've been trying to be like a little more different. I know that honestly my career is digital, so there's only but so much that I can do. If I could say one thing, it would be just get outside, whether it's in your backyard, bro, anywhere you can. Honestly, embrace outdoors. It's so weird to say, but I don't know. Conspiracy Nori in the building. Have y'all been seeing all these chemtrails everywhere, bro? I feel like I've been seeing these shits everywhere lately. If y'all been noticing chemtrails where y'all live, let me know in the comments, because what is going on, boy? I think there's fishes in there, bro, because some dude was literally fishing over here. Yeah, I just want to show y'all that sometimes gotta switch things up. Daily dose of nature with Nori. I'm gonna finish my little walk, then we'll go back to the studio. I'm gonna try to wrap around it one time. The shit is kind of big, so we're gonna be here for a minute, but it is what it is. If I find anything more I want to say, I'll go ahead and just add it to the video. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy our little stroll. I'm gonna catch y'all. Went to the park, took a little stroll, you feel me, enjoyed some nature, which I recommend y'all to do. But we're back in the stew now, you feel me. My Starbucks is gone and it's time to talk about the talk about, bro. Pull out our Supreme knife. Guess down below what sneaker this could be. If y'all know me, y'all been on the lives, which if you want to catch the lives every week, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and click the post notification bells. If you've been subscribed and you're not getting my notifications, unsub, sub back with post notifications on. They'll send you the notifications. questions. Guess what the sneaker is in the comments. I'm gonna let y'all know how I got these, how I paid the price that I paid for them, everything like that. I honestly hope that these are legit, because if they're not, I'm gonna be tired. I'm not gonna lie. Open these up. Honestly, they don't come with a box. The box itself would be way bigger than this. And come on, yo. Come on, B. Come on, son. Woo. Oh, man, bruh. Whew. Let me pull both of them out for y'all. Damn, son. Yeezy 750 in the triple black colorway. Now, I didn't get them with any of the accessories, none of that. I saw a store in Atlanta called Hype 24/7 posted these for $400, bruh. 400. The only issue is they don't come with the box. They don't come with any of the accessories, which honestly, I don't really care. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. For this right here, I would just have the box and have to put them at Mom Duke's crib in my little storage closet or whatever. So I'm not tripping, you feel me? As long as these are legit, which I'm gonna pass them through a legit check for shits and giggles. I think they should be, because it was a resale store that was selling them, so I should be straight. One of my grails for real, bro. That strap with the Adidas stripes under it, Yeezy branding on the strap. For me, it's these, and then obviously the gray pair, but I'm just so grateful I could have these in the collection. They're looking new too, bro. Like, they're barely worn. They looking real crispy. They were in store for $400, bro. 400 for the 750s. If y'all remember on stream, I was talking about paying 11 for these bitches. Y'all were even telling me to buy them new, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I was not trying to pay that $1,100 price point. If it takes me not getting a box or the bag or whatever, bruh, 400 is a come up. I've been talking about these forever, and I just can't believe I got them in the collection, especially for $400. Like, it's unbeatable, to be honest. Damn near got them near DS, bro. Like, if you really look at it, barely worn, barely worn. I'm gassed that I got these in the collection. Let me know if this is a W cop or an L. Would y'all have paid that $1,100 price to receive all the little things that come with it, like the bag, box, and all that shit? Or did I come up on these paying that $400 price? Let me know if it's a W cop or an L. Let's go ahead and do the zipper test. I heard the zippers have problems on these. More so the first pair than the second. That shit went smooth up, bro. Smooth up. I'm not gonna lie. You got the Velcro still working. Everything's smooth on these. I'm gonna have to throw these shits on feet. Crazy part is I've never had 750s in hand. I never really seen them in person, which is crazy. I'm gonna pass them through a legit check just to see what's up. Oh, fuck. Oh, sheesh. Let me get y'all a little POV real quick. POV, bro. POV. I would not wear them with these sweatpants. I'll probably wear like some denim with it. We got the 750s on feet right now. Never imagined I would have had these in the collection, especially for that price, bro. Like, I just had to. Dead ass had to, bro. The feeling I'm getting from these sneakers is honestly one of a kind, bro. It's what I love about the sneaker game. It's almost like something new, innovative, and it's been out for 8 years almost, and I finally got my hands on them, and it feels like it's a new sneaker that just dropped right now. I had to bite the bullet on these simply because I know Yeezy ain't coming back to Adidas. That's a wrap. This is like the second colorway that he dropped with Adidas, so I know that down the line this is gonna be worth even more money. I know I got them without the box. I can honestly give a less, because at the end of the day I got them in my collection, bro. Hype ain't even a word, matter of fact. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there is a couple imperfections on the sneaker. Like right here, there's a little scuff. The back is a little scuffed, but honestly, it's nothing too crazy, nothing I can't look past. If y'all can't tell, I'm kind of lost for words. Like, normally I know what to say on these videos, and this is one of those things that I don't know, bro. These are just perfect in my opinion. I'm glad I have these in the collection. I actually have a question for y'all. Are these better than the Fear of God ones that Jerry did with Nike? Or would y'all rank these over those? I know these came before, but Jerry Lorenzo actually had something to do with these. And if you really think about it, they kind of have that shape of the Fear of God ones. So shape might have played a factor from Jerry as far as these go. We secured one of our grails, 1 down, 10 more to go. I'm not gonna lie, but this is a banger, major W in my opinion. opinion. Let me know in the chat if y'all agree. $400 for a $1,200 sneaker. I'm gonna go ahead and pass these through a legit check. If they come back negative, I'm flaming hype 24/7. But if these are authentic, shit, bro, I recommend y'all to go ahead and check them out. This is not a sponsor, nothing crazy like that. They just got some steals on their page. I know y'all see I got a whole new fit on. That last clip y'all saw from a week ago, I said I was gonna get these legit checked because $400 for a $1,000 plus sneaker is kind of crazy. But it turns out they passed the legit check, you feel me? So these are 100% real. They did ask me for some extra pictures and shit, which I sent them whatever they needed. After all, they turned out to be legit. $410 for a sneaker that I feel like is gonna be worth well over $2,000, $3,000 as time goes on. Let me know where y'all would rank these in the Yeezy lineup. For me, the 750s is probably top 3 Yeezys ever. So I feel like now that he's not with Adidas anymore, we're gonna see these skyrocket in value as time goes on, especially being one of the original silhouettes that he released. People are already sleeping on these. They were never re-released, and it's one of those bangers, so I'm glad I have these in the collection. Definitely gonna be one of my go-tos whenever I'm trying to look a little bit more stylish. These are a banger, bro. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comments. But with all that being said, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on here as well. I saw these pop up at a store in the A, and I just had to bite the bullet, so now they're in the collection. If I could cop the OG colorway, I honestly would, but those have a lot of issues with the zipper and a bunch of other shit, so I'm just glad I got these. Beautiful silhouette, beautiful sneaker. But yo, let me know what y'all think in the comments. What is one of your grail sneakers? And if you could get it for $400, would you or would you pass?